Once a system for energy source tracking is in place, we can unlock even more potential by adding information about infrastructure, like transmission towers, conductors, insulators, circuit breakers, and switchgear. This essentially builds what we call smart grids. Now we add smart contracts for monitoring those parameters with all the conditions and dependencies. We track maintenance needs, we can set alarms for structural failures and other accidents. Tracking physical assets this way brings several clear benefits. One is predictive maintenance. If dampers in one location wear out faster than those nearby, the system spots the pattern and helps schedule repairs before problem spreads. It also keeps track of many data points at once, giving a full picture of reliability and efficiency. On top of that, it creates a single record of downtime and service history, so nothing gets lost. And maybe the biggest advantage is less vendor lock-in. Because the data is open and easy to share, switching to a different maintenance provider doesn't mean starting over or moving everything into a new system. The knowledge stays inside the platform itself. With blockchain, every participant gets their own secure copy of the data. Aside from these traceability features, blockchain also creates a secure audit trail. And who loves audit trails the most? Audit teams. The energy sector's stability is monitored due to the fact that it is a critical infrastructure sector. Because of that, it undergoes frequent security and resilience check. Internal and external auditors appreciate easy access to the data and one source of truth. Is it all just a fantasy? Has anyone tried to use blockchain to support maintenance? You probably know other sectors like food industry that use blockchain for failure management. For example, to easily recall the contaminated food. How is it for energy? Who has already done it? The energy sector has been working on pilot projects. Under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, smart grids equipped with IoT sensors and blockchain were tested to monitor supply and demand, track cable theft and manage repairs. In 2024, Eviden launched its digital passport designed to track a product's entire lifecycle, from production and repairs to end-of-life recycling. One of the first use cases where the passport was used is tracking the electric vehicle battery industry and doing it in compliance with the EU regulations for batteries and energy storage. Let's recap what we discovered today. The energy sector values traceability, proving the origin of the energy, compliance, fast response maintenance, and a single source of truth for all participants in the energy flow, including auditors. That's how one sector learns from other sectors' successes. You may notice that traceability projects in other industries are more popular, while the energy industry has so far made just a few significant steps in that journey. There is a potential to be explored. There is even more to blockchain and energy joining forces, and there are traps and challenges as well. All of that you will find in the third video in the series. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember to stay on the block to stay ahead.